Hi kiddies! In this video, we are going to see some facts about horses. Yes, horses belongs to the group of mammals. Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. Wow! Horses' eyes are on the side of their head. So, these eyes gives them a nearly 360-degree view. They can see almost everything around them except for a small blind spot right in front of the nose and directly behind them. Horses have only one toe on each foot. Miniature horses are under 3 feet tall only. They are like corgis of the horse world, short and adorable. Horses cannot burp. Wow! Horses are more than 400 different breeds, and horses don't have the horn. Thanks to watch, and please do subscribe for more drawings with some informations.